this video, I am going to show you how to create content for you to schedule on Cloud Campaign across your various platforms. When you log into Cloud Campaign, you will be prompted to your dashboard. From there, you're going to want to click on your content library. And then over here on the right-hand side, you're going to want to click Create Content. You're going to find either the URL, the video, or the image that you have created. I'm going to do an image, so I'm going to click Image. You can connect your Canva account if you would like to link something that you have already created in Canva that has some fancy lettering or anything like that. You can also use some free stock images that are clear of copyright issues and all of that. I do have a specific image that I'm going to click. It's right here. So I'm going to click Connect, or I'm going to click Open on that. And this is a picture of my son, Jack. So from there, I'm going to click Captions, and I'm going to write my quick caption. Hello world, this is Jack. Jack is 1.5 years old, and he has the energy, E-N-E-R-G, and personality of a giant. So if you're good with that, and that is how you want your caption to look across all of your platforms, you would just click on Next, and then you would continue to publishing. However, you do have the ability to tweak this and change it up across your various platforms. You'll want to do that, you will want to click right here, Unique Caption for each social media platform. I always call this the to-do list. Just because it has all of these listed doesn't mean that you already have all of these accounts listed. All these accounts connected to your platform. I have previously attached my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to this. So those are the only ones that I'm going to work in. You're welcome to use all of the other ones. And just because I don't have them connected doesn't mean that it automatically prompts here. So I'm going to keep in Facebook my caption as is. Remember, when you are in Facebook at this time, it is not recommended that you use hashtags. Hashtags are used currently for Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. There are limitations on the number of hashtags to use in LinkedIn and Twitter as well, or that's what we recommend. So I'm going to adjust in Instagram. I'm going to just add some hashtags. From here, I'm going to click Enter, Enter, and then I'm going to click right here, which is your saved hashtags. You can create groups of saved hashtags already, and we recommend doing your hashtag research prior to doing this in the template that we have created for you. You can find that in your dashboard. From here, I have already created a couple of hashtag groups. I'm going to click on this Jack one, and you'll see that I have various Jack hashtags that I've already created. If you do not see an account or a hashtag group that you want to use, or if you want to add another one, you're going to want to click right here to add/manage hashtags, and then you can create a new hashtag group. Or if you would like to add to a current hashtag group that you have, you can do so right here. To create a hashtag group, you will do this, and then we can say adventure pass, and then you can start creating your hashtags here. We always recommend with your hashtags, they at least correspond to your various pillars. So you can also have more than that. You don't have to have you don't have to have 4 or 5 hashtag groups. You can have more of them, but just make sure that they at least align with some of the stuff that you're working with. So I'm going to use Jack. In my hashtags, I clicked it right here. We're good to go for our Instagram. Now, in Twitter, I'm going to change this verbiage a little bit. Twitter is limited to 280 characters. Keep that in mind, as sometimes your content needs to be adjusted. Let's say I'm safe right now. You'll see 98 characters, but I'm just going to take off hello world, this is Jack. And then I'm going to add a bunch of hashtags. I'm going to add my Jack hashtags. Oh, that didn't do that right. I'm going to add my adventure and experiences hashtags. And then I'm also going to add my adventure pass and my family fun hashtags as well. I'm going to change this. I'm trying to get to 280 characters. This is not working very well. I'm going to say Jack loves to play in the water, and he is an avid dino fan. Now we have an issue. We have 323 characters and it has identified that in red. So you're going to want to either delete some of these hashtags, which I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these because they don't really work with him. And I'm back down to 187 characters. So we are good. In LinkedIn, I'm going to keep it as is. And then I'm going to maybe just add a couple of hashtags. You'll see that right here. Once I am happy with how this all looks, whether I changed them individually as captions or if I kept them all the same, you click next. And then you're going to add your category. Your category is what is on the back end, like we discussed earlier. This is about me because it is about my son. I'm going to click family. You can click more of them, adventure and experiences if you would like. If you want to take those off, you just uncheck it right here and then it removes it. From here, I'm going to list what account that I want these to publish on. So I'm going to have it published on all of them. Just because I'm clicking save does not mean that this is going to post to all of my accounts. I'm just clicking save and now my content is here, so I can now schedule the content. From there, I'm going to click right here on these three dots. I'm going to either click schedule. So if I'm in here, I can either click on the three dots and click post now, and then you can click where to post, and then you would click post now. Or if I want to schedule it, you can click it right here to schedule content, and it'll prompt you to here. Or if you're in your main screen, you can click on your dots right here, and you can click schedule content. Brings you to the same spot. Make sure to title your post, Hello World Jack. And then you're going to want to click your date. I'm going to do this in advance. I'm going to post this for Monday. And then I'm going to click a time. So if you want these to be posted all at the same time, you're just going to want to click, okay, 10:30. And then you're going to choose accounts and you can choose from there. And then you can click schedule. Let's say you want to post them on a different day. So I'm going to schedule it and you want to post them at different times. So I'm going to post one on Tuesday at 9:30. And I just want that for my Instagram. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click schedule. Then I'm going to post it on Wednesday, next Wednesday at 9:15. And I'm going to post that to my LinkedIn and my Twitter account. And then let's say I'm going to do that one more time to make sure that I'm hitting all of my platforms. I'm going to post that on Thursday. And I'm going to post it at 11 o'clock. And I'm going to do that on my Facebook account. So I have scheduled all of this content across the board. To double check to make sure that everything is taken care of, you're going to want to go to your left-hand side under Publish where it says Calendar. From there, you will see I have my various posts already scheduled. If you want to double check to make sure that you have scheduled everything correctly, you're going to want to click on it. And from there, right here, you can see the various accounts that are scheduled. And then from here, you will also be able to see the various adjustments that have been made. If you have, and then right here, it's just my Instagram account. On Wednesday, it looks like it's I can't see what it is. It's Twitter and it's LinkedIn. And then on Thursday, like we did already, it is my Facebook account. Now, I obviously have duplicate posts already scheduled. So I'm going to go in here if I need to delete anything, and I'm going to click delete scheduled post. Now, if I already have this scheduled and oh my gosh, I realized I made an error or I need to tweak something, you can click here and you can click manage content and it'll prompt you over to here where you can edit your account by clicking in your three dots. You can click edit, either change your picture, adjust your captions. If you adjust your captions, you will want to go to your caption and click your pencil and then make the changes as you see fit. And then you want to always make sure that you click update to adjust this. You do not have to go into your calendar to do this update. You can go straight into your content calendar. Again, or your content library, again, click Edit Content and make your adjustments here. I hope this was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the concierge team here at Brand Yourself Consulting. Have a great day.